Today we are going to the Craft Contemporary with Textile Arts LA, and I'm teaching a ice dye workshop, which is really exciting because I've never actually taught a workshop before, so this will be my first time. But first we're gonna get some matcha, and then I'm gonna head over there. Matcha secured. We went to Groundwork Coffee, and it's pretty good. We're trying fufu and a goosey.
Eating fufu and a goosey.
So I have the fufu, and then here it is. You're not supposed to chew it, so it's a really interesting flavor. It's really good though. And then it has like giant cheese on it. I'm back from my adventures, and I want to give you guys a little haul of some of the things I got from the mall. And so first is this top from Banana Republic. It's a little cashmere polo, and it's so soft. I've been pining over this for weeks, and it has such a cute fit as well. And then I also got this other button-up from there. It's low-key hella wrinkly because it was the last one left and it was like underneath a pile of other ones, but I think it'll be super cute. It's just like a cropped button up. I can't talk. And then I got another button up thing. They're kind of all the same low-key. They're like the same but in different fonts. But this one is white and it's from Zara. But the real star of the haul today is this. So I'm gonna do a Skull Panda unboxing. I fell victim to the Labubus, and I have two Labubus. The one from the Macaroon collection, and then I also have a Big Energy one, but they were gifts, so I didn't actually buy them with my own money. But I did buy this with my own money, and it was like 40 bucks, which I feel like is low-key ridiculous for a little keychain, but we got it anyways. I can't even complain because I literally bought it. But here are the different options. I really want the yellow one because yellow's my favorite color, and I don't want the blue one because I just don't like blue things. I don't know why. Like, none of my clothes or anything is like blue, so I don't know what I would do with it. But we're manifesting the yellow one or the green one. The green one's also super cute. Okay. Okay, so does it have like a little card inside of it? Oh, I'm scared. I don't want to look at the little card. Or maybe I'll look at the card and, because Austin's behind me. Open up the bag? Don't look at the card? Okay, I'm gonna open up the card, the back, instead of the card. Ooh, I'm scared. I want the green one, or the yellow one. Ooh. Oh my gosh! Oh, it's the brown one! Okay, she's cute. She has like a little... She's like brown hair, and she has leaves on her. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm happy. It's low-key kind of good quality too. And I think the eyes like move around. Oh! Not the eye going the other way. What's that meme? It's like...
Why are you drinking Pedialyte, bro?
I need it.
Use both your eyes.
Use both your eyes. Okay, this is my $40 keychain. So fun. Hello. Right now I'm getting ready to go to a fashion show. It's for LMA, and this is an LMA dress I'm wearing right now. I'll show you guys a better outfit when I'm done, but yeah, I'm just doing my makeup and I have to leave soon. I'm kind of like a little behind, but it's okay, and I'll show you guys my fit after. This is the fit. I've returned back home. The show was amazing, the clothes were beautiful, and the people there were also amazing. I got to meet my favorite podcasters. Shout out Upstairs Neighbors Pod. I met Dom and Maya, my Blasian sisters, literally, and I was so geeked out, I'm not gonna lie. And it just made me think about like the parasocial relationship between like the people we see on like Instagram and like YouTube and stuff, and the fact that these people are always like on our phones and we feel like we know them, but we don't. And a lot of the people that were at this event were very much like influencers that I follow or know of. So in a way I was like looking around like, oh, it's my buddy, it's my pal, oh look, it's that other person that I know, but I literally don't know any of them. So I just think social media is so crazy for that. And like, yeah, so that was like my, I guess like brain thought after that event, seeing like influencers in the wild. But yeah, overall, great time. Got some sushi after, and now I'm ready to take a nap. I'm ready to go to bed because it is late and I am tired. So, goodbye.